to start the test. How often do you make telephone calls?
How often? Mostly, I mean, nowadays we are very busy in our hectic schedule. So there are number of calls that I have to attend on daily basis because where I am working, where I have to talk with the customers on calls or in person. So I use mobile phones for calling purposes. Uh, around 10 to 12 times in a day.
Okay, with whom you spend most of the time talking on the phone? With whom you talk more?
Whenever I am on my at workplace, then mostly talk with my clients, and uh, 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 apart from that, whenever I have a free time, mostly I like to talk with my sister, and I mostly spend most of the time with talking to her because we have I will able to share all the things and all my
When
feelings
do you
with
think
her.
you will make next call?
Sorry.
When do you think you will make next call? After my call, who will you call next?
Well, after this call, I wanted to call to my parents because after that, I have to talk with my child and also with my parents before go to the bed. So I had to call within 1.5 hour to my parents.
Do you sometimes prefer to send a text message instead of telephoning?
Yes, sometimes I like to send a text message rather than giving a direct call because there are a number of person who are also busy in their workplace. So according to our uh, different schedules, that is not possible every time to talk with them. On that time, if something is important, for example, now. Uh, right now I send a text to my one of friend because I don't call her because he is at her workplace, so she is not able to take the call. So I had a urgent work, so I text him for some of the information that I want to get him, and
Okay,
she
now
was
the
able to reply.
future is to come to your card. Describe a journey by car or by plane or by boat. Okay, that you still remember very well where you went, how you traveled, and why you went on the journey. Explain. And the time starts now.
There are numbers of tour that I went with my family by different different ways of conveyance. But here I would particularly mention the car journey, which I went to Manali approximately 4 years ago. That was the trip to the hill station in the northern India. I went to this place with my family, and also my brother and sister-in-law joined us after their marriage, and the distance around Manali from my home around 5,000 kilometers. So it took roughly 10 to 12 hours to reach at the destination, and because of the route through because of the sorry because of the route was not wide, so it took a long time. And when we started our journey, we feel very irritated because that was a very congested due to the l- huge traffic. But when it turned into the mountain area, we feel very excited and fresh because everywhere there is a lush greenery, and it looks very beautiful. The mountain caps are also beautiful because it covered with the snow. And I we stayed uh, in several times at on the way for captured the photographs
Stop,
that
stop. Okay, so we felt feel ka thika, we felt
okay,
exhausted. So there was huge traffic. What else you can add? There was bumper to bumper traffic. ठीक है ना? बम्पर टू
okay,
बहुत
bumper.
बम्पर टू बम्पर mesmerizing, मंत्रमुग्ध करने वाला. ठीक है? The deep valleys and the peak of the mountains, the view was such a breathtaking. ऐसा भी कुछ लिख सकते हो.
Breathtaking.
Breathtaking, ठीक है? Mesmerizing. So I think that when we look at the view, we forget about the traffic, we forget about the struggle we took while we were on the way during our journey. So come to the follow questions. Try to add examples. ठीक है? I've said try to exaggerate. The very first is, why do people need to travel every day?
Sorry, ma'am, I can't. Can
Why?
you just
Okay. Why do people travel every day? What are the reasons why people travel every day?
okay. Well, behind this, there are a number of reasons. Some of people are traveling due to their work, and for example, they are working far from their hometown, so they have to travel on daily basis for their work purposes. And there are a number of children who are studying in far away from their town or their city, so they also have to travel on a regular basis. So everyone have their different purposes for the traveling purposes.
ठीक
So
है.
they do travel from a number of vehicles, like someone use car or other use a public transport,
हम्म.
so they used their own convenient.
ठीक है. So daily commute, you can call it commuters also. Daily commuters. ठीक है.
Daily commuters. Okay.
Commuters is one of the same thing. What problems? Listen carefully. I'll repeat also if you're not able to get it. What problems can people have when they are on their daily journeys, for example, to school or work?
Well, there are several kinds of problems that people can face when they are traveling on a regular basis. Like sometimes they are struck, they can struck in the traffic, so that is why they are late from their work and also from their college. Or sometimes when they travel with their own convenience, so they find some issues with their vehicle, like sometimes they had a car, travel by their own car, so sometimes there is a fault in their car, like a tire or puncture of the car. So there are a different number of different problems that people can face in their daily life.
ठीक है. these kind of वैसे तो कनाडा में ये सब ट्रैवल्स नहीं होंगे. अब कुछ ना सड़कों से रिलेटेड है, ट्रैवलिंग से रिलेटेड, फटाफट से व्हाट्सएप
ट्रैफिक का हो सकता है यहाँ पे.
हो सकता है. बाकी बम्पी रोड्स तो मुझे लग रहा है यार फाइंडिंग है. बम्पी रोड्स बोल सकते हैं, पॉट होल. नॉर्मली अगर किसी ने, है ना, कंडीशन ऑफ द रोड्स की अगर बात करें, अगर अच्छी सड़क नहीं है, ठीक है, तो
तो
उसमें
ये भी बोल सकते हैं अगले कि हम ये भी मेंशन कर सकते हैं कि बस मिस हो गई या ऐसा कुछ कुछ भी हो सकता है.
डेली कम्यूटर्स की यही तो प्रॉब्लम. आप सोचो.
और समटाइम्स ऐसे होता है कि मैम इसको कैसे बोलेंगे कि मतलब मेरे साथ ही बहुत बार हुआ कि कुछ टेक्निकल इश्यूज की वजह से ना ट्रेन ट्रेन चली नहीं, मतलब बंद ही हो गई, तो फिर मैं जा नहीं पाई. तो
मुझे
उसको कैसे मेंशन.
इट्स नॉट यू ओनली, सबके साथ. समटाइम्स यू आर नॉट, हम बस में जा रहे हैं, बस खराब हो गई है. लाइफ में एक ना एक बार किसी ने एक्सपीरियंस करा तो कि दूसरी बस चेंज करनी पड़ी. फिर आप ये कह रहे हो कि स्किप हो सकती है, गाड़ी छूट सकती है, टाइम आपके पीछे हो गया. सो आप बोल सकते हो सेवरल टाइम इट हैज हैपेंड विद मी दैट the train or the bus which I took, it was not an order. ठीक है। मशीनरी जब खराब हो जाती है, हम उसको ये नहीं बोलते मेरा स्कूटर ठीक नहीं है, तो मेरे स्कूटर पे मार थोड़ी बोलेंगे, माई स्कूटर इज नॉट इन ऑर्डर। ठीक है,
Not in order.
it's not an order. Okay, how's your scooter? Today you came by bus. You see, my scooter is not in order. Not in order. मशीनरी है। मशीनरी कब खराब होगी? जब कोई चीज गड़बड़ हो जाती है आगे पीछे। तो हाँ, डेली उसमें ना डेली की प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है समटाइम्स। अच्छा, I told you not to add yourself a lot more. Being a mother, I have so many work to do in the morning, and several times I get late to pick my bus. So on that note, I can say that सेम लाइक मी। अब देखा जाए तो फॉलो क्वेश्चन इज नॉट अबाउट यू, ध्यान से समझना। फॉलो क्वेश्चन ने डिस्कशन से रिलेटेड है, कलेक्टिवली सबके बारे में बोल। तो उसमें ये कि यस पीपल कैन हैव सेवरल काइंड ऑफ प्रॉब्लम्स। स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स का भी देखो वो लेट हो जाते हैं, टिफिन नहीं पैक हुआ। सो ट्राई टू एक्सैजरेट बाय एडिंग एग्जांपल्स। स्पेशलिस्ट ने बोला भी है कि ट्राई टू एग्जाम्पलीफाई भी करो इसको। ठीक है, सो बम्पी रोड्स अगर, ठीक है, पैथेटिक देन ये कंडीशन यहाँ पे तो नहीं चलेगा, अगर यहाँ कहीं और सिटी कंट्री में। सो द रोड, द कंडीशन ऑफ द रोड इज पैथेटिक, समटाइम्स इट टेक्स टाइम। अब सड़क खराब है तो डेफिनेटली 15 मिनट का सफर कितने में होएगा? 1.5 घंटे में।
हाँ जी।
So I think sometimes the pathetic condition of the roads can help you get late, can be responsible for you to get late. अब rainy days की बात करें, if I'm talking about India, so in a rainy day must have been that even a small road will turn into a river. कभी देखना, ठीक है।
देखा मैंने, लुधियाना तो डूब जाता है।
सब जगह यही है। So we are good in this।
यहाँ पे नहीं होता। यहाँ पे अभी भी बारिश हो रही है, कुछ नहीं होता है यहाँ पे, कोई पानी नहीं मिलेगा आपको
बहुत
कहीं भी।
बहुत अच्छी बात है। तो अब rainy day में कोई जा रहा है, डेफिनेटली 15 मिनट का सफर 1.5 घंटे में होएगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, some people say that daily journeys like these, some people say that daily journeys like this, like going to school or work, these will not be common in the future. Do you agree or disagree? Like in future, people will not go for daily journeys.
Well, on that point, I agree at some point, because nowadays technology has developed many things. Because of that, there are a number of things that we can do online. We have don't need to go anywhere for the work purposes. Like nowadays the mostly people prefer hybrid working, like remote working. They don't have need to go to the office, or they work from their hometown. But if I talk about the colleges or schools, then children also need to go to the school, because the person in person interaction is more better than online interaction, because teacher can observe the students and also observe their activities, what a child can do, or what they want to try to do. So I think it would not stop, but at some time it reduce the physical physical meeting. So I want to say that in the future, it was not reduced, but sorry, it was not removed, but
It can be
at
reduced.
some,
It can be
maybe it reduced.
maybe like 3 days in a week you have to go to office and rest you can work it. Okay? What
Yes.
do you think people learn from traveling to other countries?
Ma'am, can you
What
repeat the?
people can learn? Do you think people can learn? People can learn from traveling to other countries. A person who's traveling to other country, he or she can learn.
Yes. Yes, of course. There are a number of things that people can learn from during traveling when they go to one country to another country. For example, when and if I talk about myself, I moved to Canada from India. There I meet number of persons who also came from a different country. So I get the opportunity to know about their culture and their tradition, so that is the way to enhance the culture diversity. And I also had get the chance to taste the different culture cuisines. it and also learn about how to cook the different types of cuisines, like the different countries work style or behavior, dressing things. There are number of things that we can learn from for traveling to a different country.
ठीक है, दैट इज द एंड ऑफ योर टेस्ट। 15 मिनट, 15 मिनट 12 सेकेंड। ठीक है, 12 मिनट